Hey everybody, it's Ivy, and today we're going to be doing a hair video. So we're going to be installing this beautiful unit right here. This is a chocolate brown curly unit. This wig is from Ashimary Hair, and this is one of their 360 Invisi Strap wigs. And I love this wig because you can wear it down and you can do a variation of styles. Because it is a 360, you're able to wear this in an updo, half updo. You have so many style options with this unit. So before we get into the install and styling, you guys look at this texture. It's such a pretty curly texture, and I didn't put any product in the hair. Only thing that's in here is water and conditioner, and the hair is so pretty. I absolutely love this chocolate brown on my skin. It's not too much, but it's just enough to give you a, a little oomph and a different look. So if you're interested in seeing how I install and style this unit, keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and get started. Our beautiful unit, again, is from Ashimary Hair. And it comes in a really pretty box like this. And I love this blue. You get your unit. In a little baggie, we have a edge elastic, edge brush. We have some makeup puff, hairpin, lashes. We have a wig cap. This bag looks like some Halloween goodies. I got this box in October, so it has some Halloween goodies, a little satin baggie, and a satin robe. You get a lot of goodies in your box, which is really nice. So let's get into what we came for, the unit. And this unit is, oh my god, it's so cute. So this is their 360 Invisi Strap wig. You guys might have seen me review one in the past, but this one is a little bit different. It's a curly texture and it's a chocolate brown color, which I thought would be really cute and right on season. So here is the inside of this unit, and their wigs are made very well. I love that their unit comes with combs that just slide out, so I don't have to do all the cutting. I love that. Their wig also includes a removable elastic strap. I never keep these inside of my unit, so I love that they made it easily removable. So this right here is the invisible strap, and this is gonna drawstring when you put on your wig, and that helps make everything nice and secure, and it helps the wig stay nice and flat so you can wear it in a ponytail. I'm excited to install this unit. I'm actually getting ready to go on a date, so I need something that's gonna be cute, simple, laid. I'm not sure exactly what style I'm gonna do because I can switch up my style with this wig, but we'll see. So let's go ahead and put it on. And I do have on my wig grip cap. If you guys are interested in getting one of these, I will have it linked below. I always tell you I cannot wear my wigs without it. They just stay in place and it's so comfortable. I love it. What you want to do is go ahead and position your wig on your head. Okay, you guys, so once you have your wig placed on your head, I'm just going to trim my lace a little. So for this unit, I am gonna tack it down using hairspray. I'm gonna use a oldie but goodie Got To Be spray. And don't worry about the residue that's left from using the Got To Be. I'm going to show you guys how to clean this up. So when it looks white like this, you just want to take some water and just wipe it, dab it across. And that's going to help reduce some of that white cast. And your wig not going to come off, so don't worry. So while it's kind of damp, just try to like comb some of the baby hair. While it's wet, just try to sculpt some of the baby hair. Okay, so we have our baby hair sculpted. You just want to go in and just cut. So I'm just using a little hair gel to further sculpt my baby hairs and tame them. We have a white cast because our lace is a little light for our skin. So what I'm going to do is take some lace tint. I got my lace tint from Bold Hold. I will link it below if they still have it. If not, I'll link another lace tint that I use that works just as good. So you just want to spray it. Okay, you guys, so I just sprayed my lace tint on, and as you can see, everything matches and blends really good. So I am going to do a middle part, I think. I'm going to take my dryer and just press everything into place. So it's really easy to just change your part like that. I'm going to spray some water on it so I can define these curls. This hair is pretty. Now I'm just going to take some water and conditioner. That's all that's in here. And I'm going to saturate the hair. And I'm just defining the curls in my wig using a Denman brush. You just want to scrunch that up. Okay, you guys, so I am done defining the curls. I'm done styling. I love the color on myself. It's definitely fall ready. It's so cute, and the curls are perfect. The hair isn't too big and it isn't too small. It's like the perfect density, which I really like. Everything blends together really good. This is so cute, and I'm gonna show you guys some style options you can do with this unit, because you can wear it like in a ponytail or clipped up with the invisible strap. It actually allows you to, you know, do updo styles, which I think is really cool. So your Invisi strap will be the clear, they will be right behind your ears. One strap here, we have another strap here. I'm just gonna pull it and tighten it up here. That's cute up in a little clip. I kind of like that. You could put it in a ponytail, and I can put it in a bun. Please don't forget to thumb this up. Comment below letting me know if you like this style or if you've tried a 360 invisible strap wig. I can't wait to read you guys' comments. So make sure you like the video on the way out and subscribe. It's free and it helps my channel. Thank you again, and I will talk to y'all on the next video.